Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I am on here giving you guys an update on my weight loss journey, and I have started the Dukan diet. This is my third week and I started July 9th. Today is July 29th. So I lost a significant amount of weight within those 20 days, and I am here to share that with you guys right now. I had tried a couple of weight loss things previously. If you, I'm gonna make a playlist, and I will link the playlists down below. I am so bad with putting stuff in that description box, but I'm definitely gonna try. I tried the apple cider vinegar with the Garcinia Cambrosia. I did that for I think like 3 months. I did the 7-day cabbage soup diet for 7 days, which I did lose 10 pounds, almost 10 pounds. With the apple cider vinegar, I lost like 5 to 6 pounds. But this diet is one of the things that really is helping me lose weight, and very fast. And it's really not that hard. You do get tired of meat, but once you add the vegetables, it's not that bad. I did cheat twice. At my godson's birthday party, I had a slushie, and then I went to, after a funeral, I went out to eat with a couple of my friends, and I tried to make sure I got an alcoholic beverage that wasn't full of sugar and calories. So I got like a Tokyo lemonade or something like that, but it was just like vodka with fresh lemon juice. So I did drink that. I didn't gain any weight after I had that drink. And today I'm going to cheat again because my birthday is Friday, so my friend is taking me out to Sunday brunch today. So I am going to eat pancakes, I am going to eat waffles, I am going to eat bread. I'm just going to enjoy myself. Just because I'm on this diet, I'm not going to stop living. So when you cheat, all you do is add an extra day or extra 2 days of pure protein. So that is what I have been doing. I've been eating more meat than meat and vegetables. So I started this diet July 9th. I started the attack phase, and with the attack phase, all you can eat is lean meat, non-fat, fat-free dairy products, and eggs. So that was the hardest week because you get tired of eggs. I made omelets, I scrambled them, I boiled them, but you do get to eat a limited lean meat, which gets you full very fast. Plus you have to have 1.5 tablespoons of oat bran every day. So usually I will eat the oat bran in the morning, because once the oat bran get into your system, it stays in your stomach and it will expand. So it makes you feel fuller. But I suggest you do not skip any meals on this diet. I eat as much as I want. I eat as much as I can. When I'm at work, sometimes I can't eat as much as I want to, but I do try to get some meat inside of my system. So meat is the secret weapon in the oat bran. Okay, so I didn't have my oat bran today. I'm gonna go to brunch because I didn't want to feel full, because I'm gonna eat all I can eat, and I might have it for dessert before I go to bread. I would make the oat bran like oatmeal, and then I add 2 packs of Splenda and a little bit of cinnamon. So that is how I eat the oat bran. That is one way that I eat the oat bran. I also add the oat bran into a non-fat yogurt. I use Frage 0% milk, and I mix the oat bran inside the yogurt with a pack of Splenda, 1 or 2 packs of Splenda, or I make an oat bran galette, which is like a pancake, and I eat it with sugar-free syrup. So those are the 3 ways that I eat the oat bran. I haven't seen any other recipes on YouTube on how to eat the oat bran, but I will make a video on the 3 different ways that I eat the oat bran sooner or later. So don't forget to check out my videos. I have a couple of recipes on there. I have the video on the attack phase, the first week of the cruise phase, and I also show you how I prep my protein and how I prep my lunches for work. Okay, so like I said, I started this diet July 9th. Today is the 29th. I was on the attack phase the first week. My starting weight was 247.3. So the first week I lost 12 pounds, and that was in 6 days, but I did go an extra day, because on the Dukan diet website you could calculate how much you could lose within those phases: the attack phase, the cruise phase, the consolidation phase, and the stabilization phase. It shows you how much weight you can lose on each phase. So on my calculations, I was supposed to lose 6 pounds in 6 days, and I actually lost 12 pounds in 6 days. Okay, so then I started the cruise phase a week later, and I lost 12 pounds, so my weight was 233.4, and that week I lost 2 pounds. So once you start the cruise phase, the weight loss does start slowing down, but you know, once you start losing the weight slower, then it would be really hard for you to gain it back. So I did lose 2 pounds the first week. This is the second week of the cruise phase. Today makes the 7th day. Like I said, I'm going to cheat today. I am telling you this. I'm going to have me some mimosas. I'm going to have me some pancakes with syrup. I'm going to eat as much as crab legs that I want. But you can eat crab legs. Okay, and for the second week of the cruise phase, I lost 5 pounds. So my total weight right now is 228.4. I started at 247.3. Now I'm 228.4. So I haven't, my starting weight before I started really gaining weight, I started gaining weight really fast. Something's wrong with my metabolism, my thyroid or something. But for some reason I was gaining 5 pounds every month. And my feet would be swelling really, really bad. And somebody left a comment and asked me, is my feet still swollen? They have not been swollen in the last month. So that is a good thing. So when I get home from work and take off my boots, my feet are normal. So I used to wear them compression socks, and I used to try to wear 2 double socks, and that still didn't work. It still didn't stop my feet from swelling. So I still do a lot of walking at work. And I know you're supposed to walk 20 minutes a day, but I do not do that. Even though you're supposed to, I might lose weight a little faster if I did that. But I do not really have time to get off work, pick my kids up, make dinner. I can't take 20-minute walks, and that's just it. And plus it's hot as hell outside, and I am not about to be walking 20 minutes in 109 degree weather. I'm just not doing it. Okay, so I haven't been doing the 20-minute walks, but I have lost 19 pounds in 20 days. That's a lot. And these shorts that I have on right now, I had bought them before I started gaining weight and I couldn't fit them, but I could fit them now. And let me show you. My stomach is going down a lot. As you can see, at first it was a little bigger than this, but the top is still big. The bottom is a little smaller than the top, but I'm just waiting on this part to go down. But these shorts I could not fit for a minute, so I'm glad I could fit into these shorts again. I do have on, not a waist trainer, but I have on some tummy tuck panties that go up to here just so I could be comfortable when I'm out eating and my stomach won't look like I'm 9 months pregnant after I eat all that damn food. So yeah, I lost 19 pounds in 20 days, you guys. So I'm gonna keep going. I also bought something that I wanted to try. I bought these apple cider vinegar pills, and I'm gonna try to take these in the morning because I cannot drink the apple cider vinegar at all. After I did the little apple cider vinegar, Garcinia Cambrosia little thing, I cannot stand apple cider vinegar. I can't stand the smell, the taste. I don't even want to look at it. I still got some in my pantry, and I got to hide it behind the flour because I don't even want to look at it. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to take these pills, and we're going to see how these pills work within that 1 week when I give you the next update on week 3. So like I said, I've been on the diet for 3 weeks, 20 days, so it hasn't even been a month yet, and I lost 20 pounds. So I can't wait until I break the 200s. I know that's gonna be a little while. I don't know, because I'm doing pretty good. So I want to get down to the 10s. Okay, so right now I'm 228. So I did get down to 228 because I remember when I started the Garcinia Cambrosia diet, I was 205. I just want to get to 190 and I'm good. 180, I start looking sucked up. My head start looking bigger than my body, so I ain't trying to lose that much weight. I want my head to fit my body. So I haven't lost any weight in my face, I don't think. Do you guys think I lost any weight in my face? I don't think so. I know the most thing that I lost weight is in my stomach and in my breasts, because they are really small now, so I don't know what's going on. I could keep those. Just take the stomach away. Take the fupa, the kuka, and the rupa. Take all them away, but just leave the tiggle bitties, okay? Just leave the tiggle bitties. Okay, so yeah, that is all that I want to share with you guys today. If you guys are joining me on this journey, please leave some questions down below so I can answer them in the next video. Like I said, this diet is not really that hard. You can, if you go on the website or look it up on the internet, there's 100 different foods that you can eat. So I've been creating a whole bunch of different recipes with just meat and vegetables, and I will share those with you guys. And last night for dinner, I made some turkey meatballs. I added some onion in it, some jalapeno, and a little bit of fat-free Parmesan cheese, and I mixed it and I thickened it up with the oat bran instead of using breadcrumbs. So I used the oat bran in the meatballs, and then I dipped it in some tapatio sauce. So that was my dinner. All I had was meatballs. So yesterday was a meat day. The day before I had a salad. But I try to eat as much as I can, because on this diet you can eat as much as you can all day long, and the more you eat, the more you lose weight. But when I'm at work, I try to eat breakfast, lunch, come home, eat dinner. And sometimes it's hard because I can't snack in between my breakfast and lunch when I'm at work. But if you guys are joining me on this journey, then don't forget to leave comments down below, and I will definitely answer them for you guys. I weigh myself every day. I do it first thing in the morning, and I notice when I weigh myself in the morning, after I use the bathroom, I have my true weight, but then during the day after I eat breakfast and drink some coffee, it'll add 2 pounds to the scale, but then the next morning I'll be back down. So don't be discouraged by the scale, because when you wake up in the morning, that is your true weight. So keep track of that weight if you weigh yourself more than 1 time a day. So that is all I want to share with you guys today. Don't forget to please rate, comment, and subscribe. If you like these videos, go ahead and give it a 2 thumbs up. And I do not care if you like to share these videos. Okay, so I will talk to you guys real soon, because I'm about to go eat some pancakes, syrup, eggs. No, I might not eat no eggs. I want some pozole though. Some crab legs, some shrimp. That food is good. We're going to Pancho Villa's. Like, you know, the mariachi, it be irritating my ears, but after you have a couple of mimosas, it be sound like hip hop. Okay, you guys, so I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye.